Okay, today you are working on your iReady math instruction book. You're working on page 44 and 45. So 44 should look like this. You've got some number lines working still on division. And then 44, 45, you're going to have some questions to answer. All right, so let's start on 44. We are working on division facts still. Read the problem below, then explore different ways to find the unknown number in a division fact. Okay. Joe knows nickels are worth 5 cents. She needs 40 cents altogether. There's my total. That's what she wants to have. Okay. She wants to find out how many nickels she needs. So Joe writes 40 divided by 5 equals blank. Good job, Joe. Skip count by 5s to find the answer. So since we're doing 5s, that's why they're skip counting by 5s. If I skip count by 5s, you can see it's going to take me 8 5s to get to 40. So she's going to know that her answer is going to be 8. Look down here where it says model it. We're going to fill in some of these blanks. It says 5 times blank is 40. She just learned that 5 times 8 or 8 times 5 is 40 or 40 divided by 8 is 5 or 40 divided by 5 is 8. That is a fact family right here. This is all the members of the fact family using 5, 8, and 40. Write the multiplication facts for 5. So they did that. There's all my 5s. Look for a fact that had the numbers you know from the fact family, such as 5 and 40. So let's circle that one. 5 times 8 is 40. Use that fact to fill in, and that's what we just did. We filled in all of those boxes with that missing family member. Okay, let's go ahead and go to page 45. We're going to be using those fact families to help us. Mo wants to know how many nickels he needs to make 45 cents. So he writes 45 divided by blank is 5. What other division fact? So if I fill in this missing factor, what would go for my answer if I switch them? If I use a different fact family, what other one would I get? 9, right? Almost put 8, but it's 9. 45 divided by 5 would help us find that missing number. Number 3, write the 2 multiplication facts that are in the same fact family. All right, and they want us to use a box for the 9. So let me put that 9 in a box so we remember that's the one that's boxed. So multiplication, we could say 5 times the box, which we know is 9, is 45. Or we could say the box times 5 is 45, right? We already know that the answer is 9 there. I'm okay if you want to put the 9 inside the box. Look at your list of multiplication facts for 5 on the previous page. Which fact? So, of course, the fact that helps us is 5 times 9 is 45. Explain how you know which multiplication fact you can use to help you find the unknown number in a division fact. How do we know? Explain how you know which multiplication fact. You have to find the fact that have the same total. You have to have that same total. I'm not sure why they gave us all those lines to write on, but that's all you need to know. When you're using your multiplication facts, you want to find those facts that have the same total. Well, I guess we could put and one matching factor. Because we'll know 2 numbers from our word problem to try to find the third number. You've got to find those same multiplication fact family members. All right, let's go down to try it. Write the missing product, then complete the fact family. So what is 2 times 3? 6. Let's do commutative property. 3 times 2 is 6. Let's turn it to division. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And let's average, our divisor, and our quotient. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And there's our fact family. Write 2 multiplication facts. Bryce can use to solve blank divided by 3 is 7. So our total's missing. So he could say 3 times 7, or he could say 7 times 3, couldn't he? What is 3 times 7 and 7 times 3? 21. So that's page 44 and 45. You're going to work 2 red pages that you're going to tear out for me. You'll want to get red page 49, 50, and 51, and 52. These are your 2 red pages that you're going to work and tear out using fact families to help find a missing number. If you have any questions, let me know. We are taking our division test today, so hopefully this will be a good review on how to use fact families on a division problem.